just wanna feel free without any expectations. So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed in your bed, whispers just to stay in it. I think I've had enough of it, I know